Good afternoon. Today is 17th August 2016. At 1:45, we are looking at Nifty, and this is a 5 minutes Nifty spot chart. So what you see here is a definitely good chart. Learn many things about how the market is. So first of all, we'll see about the resistance zone and the support zone that was working today. You could see yesterday the market ended in this support zone because yesterday it was resistance when it became support today. We saw the market going up and down within these two ranges. Even if we are not sure what would happen, we would look at the market may move in the range from yesterday's close to the next range above because the market was in positive direction. Now, when we look at the market, we see many a time it was testing this support zone to break, but whenever it does, it was getting a good amount of buying here and again going up and not going below this zone. It tried once here, once here, and again here. So at 10:45, we could have taken this trade. This was a signal bar of buying to the next high up to this range. We could have taken profits based upon how we see the markets may have moved. Again, the markets was support zone here and here. So we could say when the market uh, returned here with this move, because it was creating two lower lows, so we would have thought the market may go into downward trend. But until that point, because this was a very good support zone, so we would not have expected it to break that much easier easily. So we would have taken a trade here again and taken our profits at this point. So this would have worked for us. So after this taking of profit here, so around 12:30 we saw European opening, and from European opening we saw a huge downside building in the European markets. So gave gave a negative outlook to Indian markets also, and then we saw this fall that came in Indian market. So let's look at the European market how it opened. Uh, this is DAX, and we saw a sharp down coming the DAX market since the open. And open was the previous close was 8676. Today's open was 6994. It was it opened above, and after that we saw the selling coming in the market. So the the low was 574 here, and now we are seeing some consolidation building up here. So it is around 100%, 100 points from 92, and similar same story is in the CAC market, French market. So we saw a continuous fall from there, and now the market is trading at the current prices 44.25. So today's low was 44.23. We opened at previous close was 4460. We opened at 4475, and today's high we saw 4478. So and it was free fall from there to do this now. We are currently trading in the lower range of the market. Let's continue to look at the Nifty. What happened in the Nifty? Um, the same move we can see in the Nifty market. So what this support zone, which was acting as a support for quite a long time today in the market, with the it still was trading in between these ranges, trying to reach this range again. It was not a quite a free fall from here to the next lower range. We saw the market trying to go into this range and trying to make again a trading range. But with the negative impact from the European market, we saw this coming to the next level. So when we were looking at that, we could have taken a trade from here at this point around, because if we look at this market, this range, once it has broken it clearly, so we saw testing the support zone and trying to regain again to this upper zone, and then again we saw this free fall from here, and again a big red candle here, big move from here. So this suggests that this support zone is effectively broken. So we could have taken our bets and placed it here, the close of here. So what we know is this was our support zone, and the next support zone was in this zone, 8600. So if we have to see, and there was some resistance in this level also, but the clear zones were this and this. So we saw a fall from here to this range, and now we see a a support, good support taken here, and the markets are now trading sideways. So now we have plenty of buying opportunity here, selling opportunity here, buying opportunity. So there were good market moves that we could have taken today. And currently now we are looking at a market which is which took a support in 68600 region, and we may see the market to move in the same range, or it may close between the range also, because there is a chance if it falls down, it will surely take a support here, but we are not expecting that because the markets are not trading flat. Trading will be trading flat after that. It can go up with how the European markets again, if the European market starts to give a positive direction, we may see a upside coming from here. So for quite a long while, we are looking at trading range formation here. So if you look at the daily chart, so this trading range was formed from 12th of July. We see a good movement from 24th June to 12th of July. Then we are seeing a good trading range formation here. The accumulation is taking place here because we see a good zone here, good accumulation zone. So people might be trying to get out of the place and also taking positions here to get to the next target we what this rally can achieve. So this rally started on 26th of Feb. So this clear bull rally, we can expect it to continue to the next level, that will be 9,000. And if we see this, might able to get to the new highs here on the market that we are seeing here in. So let's look at the Nifty futures market. We have plenty of opportunity because today premium was very different. So the clear supports were not tested here, that were relative to the Nifty spot market. But considering the spot market, we could have taken trades. The trades were here, again trade here, again the trade was here, and there was trade. So this trade we could have taken here, and the support was there. So this is zone where we can see. So we have seen the price taking support here quite a lot of time. So this was the gap, big gap here, and big gap between support and resistance zone. So this big gap may continue while we are trading in the sideways direction. And if the market crosses this big gap zone to the next down location or the above location, the market may reach to the next above or lower levels in, in this range. So quite a bit of good market we have seen here today. So let's see how the tomorrow's market will look like. So thank you.